Welcome student. Second lecture of admission of a partner standard 12. Gujarat board books sum number 11. Prerna and Piyush. Now you know accounting treatment for admission of new partner. First revaluation account like profit and loss account. Then after partners capital account, then after cash account, then after goodwill account, and last one balance sheet is necessary. Now, first of all, Prerna and Piyush are partner in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio of their capital. Profit sharing ratio is capital ratio. Balance sheet of their firm was as under. Now, capital, first one, opening balance of capital. You all know very well that capital account always credited by balance brought down, BD, 50,000 and 1,50,000. Their profit sharing ratio is also capital ratio. Now listen me, capital ratio 50,000 and 1,50,000. 50,000 ones are and 50,000 threes are. 1:3 profit sharing ratio. Next one. Reserve fund. If there is a profit distributed between old partner, not to new partner. नया तो अभी आया है, 1 साल के बाद उसको मिलेगा सब, अभी नहीं. अगर कोई प्रॉफिट है तो ओल्ड को दीजिए. रिजर्व फंड यानी प्रॉफिट बाय रिजर्व क्रेडिट to partners capital account 30,000 in ratio of 1:3. 7,500 and 22,500. Now other profit not available, asset side loss not available. Now they admitted Poyani as a new partner for 1/5 share of profit on 31st March 16 on following terms. Poyani brought rupees 62,500 as capital. New partner bring capital 62,500. Partners नया जो आया वो कैपिटल लेके आया तो कैश आएगी बिजनेस में. कैश comes in and whenever cash comes in it must be debited. Cash account debit 62,500. It is given by Poyani. Poyani is the giver and giver account always credited to Poyani account. Cash account debited 62,500. Particular opposite to Poyani. And Poyani account credited 62,500. Particular opposite by cash account. Next one. And 24,000 as a share of goodwill in cash. New partner also bring goodwill. In goodwill also cash comes in. Must be debited. Cash account debit. It's the amount of goodwill. Therefore, it must be credited to goodwill account. Cash account debit. Ledger posting now 24,000. Particular opposite to goodwill account. And goodwill account credited 24,000. Particular opposite by cash account. पिछले लेक्चर में भी हमने देखा था कि नया पार्टनर जो है वो कैपिटल तो लाता है. समझ में आती है बात, क्योंकि पार्टनर बनना है तो पैसे इन्वेस्ट करने पड़ेंगे. लेकिन नया पार्टनर गुडविल क्यों लाता है? कल भी मैंने आपको सिखाया था, आज भी सिखाता हूं उसका बेस. बिफोर एडमिशन ऑफ पोयानी देयर आर ओनली 2 पार्टनर्स, Prerna and Piyush. If there is a profit of rupees 90 before admission of Poyani, then distributed between 2 partners equally. Suppose ratio को भूल जाइए आप. अगर पोयानी के आने से पहले 2 पार्टनर थे, अगर 90 रुपीज प्रॉफिट हुआ तो ये दोनों के बीच डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा 45-45। लेकिन अब पोयानी आ गई है तो 3 शेयर होंगे प्रॉफिट में नेचुरली, तो 90 रुपीज तीनों के भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा 30 और 30। Before admission of Poyani, Prerna and Piyush got 45, but after admission of Poyani, they got only 30. By admission of new partner, old partner bear loss. देखिए पहले 45 मिलते थे, अब 30 मिलेंगे, 15 का लॉस, इसको भी 15 का लॉस, ये 15 30 रुपीज जो लॉस हुआ दोनों को, वो ये नया लेकर गया। नया की वजह से पुराने को लॉस होता है, इसीलिए नया जो है वो पुराने को उसका कंपेंसेशन देता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम, गुडविल। तो गुडविल अकाउंट में गुडविल क्रेडिट है, वो यहां से उठा के पुराने को दे देनी है, क्योंकि ये कंपेंसेशन है उसका, उसको लॉस होता है इसलिए। तो बात यह है कि 24,000 में से इसको कितना दूं, इसको कितना दूं, ये दोनों को लॉस हो रहा है, उसका कंपेंसेशन मिल रहा है, तो जितना जिसको लॉस हो उतना उसको कंपेंसेशन मिलना चाहिए। वो लॉस कैसे पता चले किसको कितना लॉस है, क्योंकि ओल्ड रेशियो में 2 थे, ज्यादा मिलता था, न्यू रेशियो में 3 हो गए, नया पार्टनर आया बिजनेस में इसलिए कम मिलेगा। तो ओल्ड रेशियो माइनस न्यू रेशियो इक्वल टू सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो। बट लिसन मी केयरफुली, here old ratio तो दिया है, old ratio given, but new ratio not given in entire sum, नया रेशियो नहीं दिया। तो इस पोजीशन में ओल्ड रेशियो जो है वो ही सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो माना जाएगा, और ये गुडविल जो है वो दोनों ओल्ड पार्टनर को पुराने रेशियो में ही दी जाएगी। अगर न्यू रेशियो है तो old minus new equal to sacrifice. But if new ratio not given, then old ratio is sacrifice ratio. Then goodwill distributed between this both partner in old ratio 1:3. Now goodwill credit है यहाँ पे, उसको उठाना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, डेबिट, goodwill account डेबिट, to Prerna account, to Piyush account in ratio of 1:3। 24 को 1:3 में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कीजिए, 6,000 and 18,000। गुडविल अकाउंट डेबिट, पर्टिकुलर अपोजिट both to Prerna account, to Piyush account, प्रेरणा और पीयूष में क्रेडिट कीजिए 6,000 and 18,000, पर्टिकुलर अपोजिट बाय गुडविल। ये गुडविल का वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इस चैप्टर का। नेक्स्ट वन, मार्केट वैल्यू ऑफ स्टॉक एंड मशीनरी इज 20,000 and 1,20,000 respectively. Your stock given 17,500 in balance sheet. You see, stock means our asset, indicated asset side. Stock 17,500. But here information given that market value 20,000 means stock increased by 2,500. 17,500 given, market value 20,000, that means stock increased by 2,500. New value will be 20,000. Stock increase, our asset increase. And whenever asset increase, it is considered as a profit. And profit must be created to revaluation account because it is just looking like profit and loss account by stock account. Machinery you see in balance sheet 1,07,500. Our asset side. Machinery 1,07,500. But here information given that market value of machinery 1,20,000. That means increase by 1,7,500 given in balance sheet, but market value 120. Outer value 120 means increase by 12,500. plus. Machinery means our asset. If asset increase, it is considered as a profit. It must be credited to profit and loss account by machinery. Profit and loss means revaluation. Next one. Provision for bad debts at 10% and 2% discount reserve on debtors is to be made. Your debtors in the balance sheet out at 30,000. Debtors asset 30,000. Here information given that provision of bad debts 10%. Bad debt reserve हमको शक है कि ये पैसा नहीं आएगा, उसका जो प्रोविजन किया जाता है उसको बैड डेट रिजर्व बोलते हैं. अगर नहीं ही आने वाला है, ये तय है कि पैसा नहीं आएगा, तो उसको बैड डेट्स बोलते हैं. अगर हमको ये आशंका है कि ये पैसे नहीं आएंगे, उसका जो प्रोविजन किया जाता है उसको बैड डेट रिजर्व बोलते हैं. 10% of 30,000 will be 3,000. Now balance of debtors 27,000. Here 2% discount reserve. Discount reserve also deducted. Discount reserve in short 2%. 2% of 27,000. 540. Now outer 26,460. Now bad debts reserve and discount reserve both our loss because by both our asset decrease. Both are loss and loss must be debited to profit and loss account. BDR 3,000. Discount reserve 540. Next one. Creditors are to be paid rupees 30,000. Here you see in balance sheet creditors outer 40,000 at liability side. Creditors means our liability side 40,000. 40,000 already given in balance sheet, but information given that creditors are to be paid rupees 30,000. ये 40,000 पे करने हैं हमको, लेकिन करना पड़ेगा only 30,000. तो 30,000 पे करना पड़ेगा, तो हमारी लायबिलिटी इससे कम हुई, नॉट पेएबल. 10,000 नहीं पे करना पड़ेगा, तो ये पे नहीं करना पड़ेगा. लायबिलिटी डिक्रीज एंड व्हेनेवर लायबिलिटी डिक्रीज इट इज कंसीडर्ड एज आवर प्रॉफिट. Asset decrease then loss, but liability decrease then our profit. Credited to revaluation account means profit and loss account. Value of building is to be increased by 15%. You see building 90,000 in balance sheet. Building means our asset side. Increase यानी प्लस 15%, 13,500. 1,03,500. Building increase, our asset increase, and whenever asset increase, it is considered as our profit. Credited here, revaluation account. And value of furniture is to be increased by 20%. Furniture given in balance sheet 17,500. Also our asset. Increase by 20%. 20% of 17,500 will be 3,500. Furniture also increase. Furniture means our asset increase and it considered as a profit. Credited by furniture. Outstanding wages of 460 is not recorded in the books. पे करनी बाकी है, अभी रिकॉर्ड करनी पड़ेगी. रिकॉर्ड नहीं की तो अभी करो. आज नहीं तो कल पे करनी पड़ेगी। और एक्सपेंस मस्ट बी डेबिटेड टू रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट। आउटस्टैंडिंग वेजेस 460. Outstanding means our liability, recorded liability side. Now adjustment over. अभी बैलेंस शीट बिल्डिंग आ गया, फर्नीचर आ गया, मशीनरी आ गई, स्टॉक आ गया, डेटर्स आ गया, कैश एंड बैंक उसका अकाउंट है, एसेट है, इसलिए उसकी बैलेंस डेबिट होती है, बैलेंस BD 8250. Accrued income, outstanding income, our receivable asset side, outstanding income 750. Now liability side, capital आ गई, रिजर्व फंड आ गया, क्रेडिटर्स आ गया, आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंस, our liability पे करना बाकी है अभी, outstanding expenses, liability side 1500. Sum is over. Now time for total. $42,000. Opposite side 42,000 total minus $38,000 net profit distributed between old partners in old ratio 1:3 by net profit 1:3. $9,500, $28,500. Now total of capital Prerna $73,000. Piyush $219,000 and Poyani 62,500. Here opposite side 73, 219,000 and 62,500. Balance carried down, closing balance also 73, 219,000 and 62,500. It's a balance of capital recorded at liability side. Capital Prerna, Piyush and Poyani 73, 219,000 and 62,500. Now balance of cash account 94,750. Opposite side. Now balance. Cash means our asset. Recorded asset side 94,750. Goodwill account already closed. Equal total at both sides 24,000 and 24,000. Now total of balance sheet. $3,86,460. Now asset side. $386,460. Sum is over. To practice, share with maximum student. Thank you very much. Done.